Gmail to Zendesk AI-enriched ticket creation with GPT-4o and Google Sheets logging. Gmail trigger. The workflow begins with the Gmail trigger node. It polls your inbox every minute and listens for emails under the configured label. It captures subject HTML, plain text body sender, message ID, timestamps, metadata, headers, and raw content. This is the starting point for your automated task system. Normalize Gmail data. Next, we clean the email into a consistent structured format. This script extracts requester name, email address, clean plain text description, priority level, auto-detected from urgency keywords like urgent, ASAP, today, tomorrow, original email ID timestamp. It ensures the AI receives clean and predictable inputs. AI agent for task prioritization, Azure GPT-4o Mini. Now comes the intelligent part. We send the email subject and description to an AI agent that converts the message into actual task metadata. The AI produces task subject, a crisp action-oriented subject task pod description, 8 bullet points summarizing deliverables, deadlines, owners, key details, task priority, urgent or normal based on rules inside the AI prompt. Create Zendesk ticket. Using the AI output, a new Zendesk ticket is created automatically. The ticket includes AI-created subject, AI-generated structured description, tags representing ticket priority, requester information carried over from Gmail. This instantly turns an email into a real trackable support or task item. Format sheet data. Now we prepare a clean and consistent row for logging. We extract ticket ID, Zendesk agent link, original API URL, ticket subject, priority status, requester information, description preview, tags, timestamps. We even construct the full agent-facing ticket URL from the Zendesk API link. Log to Google Sheets. The final output gets logged into Google Sheets using append or update mode. If the ticket already exists, it's updated. If not, a new row is appended. This gives you a complete dashboard of email, ticket mappings, priorities, status updates, historical logs, SLA tracking, perfect for reporting, audits, and team visibility. This gives you a complete dashboard of email, ticket mappings, priorities, status updates, historical logs, SLA tracking, perfect for reporting, audits, and team visibility. Thanks for watching and stay connected for more such updates.